So my name is Karin Beland Lindahl. I'm an associate professor in political science at Lulea University of Technology, and I'm leading workpackage 5, which is about social license to operate. So the objective of workpackage 5 is to generate knowledge that will assist the industry to improve its relations with local communities and local actors. So we're a broad group of researchers, research institutions, company and consultancies that are included in workpackage 5. What's maybe different in workpackage 5 than the other work packages is that we bring in social science expertise. So what do we do? Well, we've got 3 tasks, and the first task is about reviewing actually what knowledge already exists about the factors that are important to obtaining a social license during the exploration stage, but also beyond that. And we look at both academic literature and knowledge that's been generated by other actors that is also relevant. 2, we're going to do case studies in which we're actually going to interview and talk to people and to investigate what are local people's attitudes towards new mine development, but particularly what is the importance of exploration technologies and the early interaction in the beginning of mine development processes. And thirdly, our third task is to collect the results and other results that's coming out of other parts of this project, and to use that to produce a toolkit that's actually going to be useful to both mining companies and other actors that are interested in improving their relations with the broader society.